the second annual Douglasville Cops and Cars show out in Douglasville on Saturday, June 17th. So I'm gonna get out here and grab some of the footage from these beautiful vehicles. See, people are still coming out here. It started at 12 o'clock, ends at 4. Right now it's 12:15, so I got out here a little early. I like to take advantage of any opportunity, especially when you have a car show that's less than 2 miles from your house. So I just wanted to get out here and get some of this footage, all these different vehicles. So I'll be back and forth with you. I know you gotta have the Falcons card. The card itself was just okay, and when they did all the Falcon stuff to it, that just took it up a whole nother notch. So I like that. If I had a cart, that's what it would be like. You got that Ford, old school Ford. With a 352. Absolutely beautiful. Look at the interior. Smell good too. Absolutely beautiful. Real nice. I like that. SS. I got that SS, Chevelle, that black one. You saw the red one. That black one is pretty clean as well. Infinite Wraps. Slingshot seem like it's seen better days. Lord have mercy. One thing I don't understand, I feel like, and me personally, when you bring a car to a car show, you should at least take time to clean it up. That's what I think. I would never bring a car to a car show and not put my wax on it like this. This Bel Air right here. Clean it up. Put some wax on it. Does a lot for it. Let people know you take pride in your vehicle. Again, this is second annual Cops and Cars event out here at the police department out here in Douglasville, Georgia. A little unity in the community type deal. Let me get this side and I come back down that side. We got the Camaro SS. New school Audi. That is off the chain. Look at that engine bay. That's the entrance right there. You see the cars coming in. So they coming in. Like I said, I got here a little early, so I can imagine by, you know, next hour or so, probably a lot more going on.
You got yours?
Mustang. How you doing? Chevelle, another Chevelle. Got a wheel in our Hellcat. Mustang over here, the two Mustang Cobra and a 5.0, looking good. Both of them looking good. Wanted a Mustang. I'm gonna have one day. I always wanted a Mustang. This is my man right here with this LT1 Camaro. I just met him at the gas station a little while ago. How y'all doing? What's up, brother? All right. Look at that. It's nice. Venom 6 Gen. That's nice. You still coming in? Wow. I'm gonna walk over here to this side. You see this Camaro? You see a Camaro? Oh Lord. You see this Corvette right here? You see what it is? Z06. (2016), looking like a 2023, 24. That Toyota Supra 2020. That is nice. Super nice. You see what's going on. People still rolling in here. Let's check out these little cars over here and see what these are. I saw these coming in a little earlier today when I was passing by. Wasn't quite sure what they are, but it says on the sticker the model is a Lister. I have no idea, but anyway. Yep. It's still trickling in here slowly but surely. You know, I still consider the Mustang my dream car. Yeah. for some reason. I know that may sound weird to some, but that's a car I've always wanted. One car that I never owned. But yeah, one day. On wheels, man. S10 Chevy. Chevy Skyline Deluxe Claude. And you know I gotta show you the one and only long Spider out here. That's the only Spider out here. Can-Am Spider. What year is this one? It's a 2016 Can-Am Spider. So that's the only Spider out here. I have to show you that. But you see what's going on. Nice little car show. Nothing major at this point, but I think some cars still will be coming in a little bit shortly. Just wanted to bring you some of that footage real quick. If you get a chance, come on out to Cops and Cars. Second annual show out here at the Douglasville Police Headquarters off of Fairburn Road. They'll be out here until 4 o'clock today. So comment, like, subscribe below. I appreciate the support. Do them works out. Peace.